Hello guys, so in this video we wanted to show you guys a few different ways that you can make money by doing online surveys. These are my top favorite ways all time. I've mentioned them on my channel before, but of course you can always look back on those videos. I have tons of videos with tons of different websites that you can choose from, but this right here, the link will be right in the description for this specific website right here. This is called Vendel, and this is I'm just kind of showing you guys how to sign up here. It's a very easy process to get signed up, and it's really fast. So that's what you do. I'm just going to log in myself because I am already signed up to the website. This is one of my favorite websites because it's the highest paid out there. There's a lot of survey websites that don't really pay much money. They literally pay pennies, like do this survey for 5 cents. But as you can see here, these surveys are a lot more high paid, and this is just what I make on the regular $200 for the last couple of days. So that is really cool. They always send you surveys all the time that you can do so you don't run out. But yeah, as you can see, these are some of them can run up to $5, $20. It just depends on the day, and depends on what kind of surveys they have to send you out. Right here, I clicked on a survey and I wanted to give you guys just a little small example of what the surveys look like. When you click on them, you just answer a few questions. And nothing, they ask you personal questions, but it's not too personal. They're not going to keep this information. It's just for a survey type of thing. I've never had any problems with them having my information ever since. I've been doing this for years. I don't get spam or anything like that. So surveys are completely legit, and they do pay money. They pay you through PayPal. With this website, most survey websites do pay through PayPal anyway, so that's just showing you guys. Yeah, but yeah, just finishing up this survey. It takes a long time, so this was just like the first couple of minutes of me doing it, and after a while I will get my points for this survey basically. This is the second survey website that I literally swear by. This is called Swagbucks. Once again, the link will be right in the description. And with this website, there are tons of different ways you can make money. You can do surveys, you can shop, you can watch videos, you can do games. There's all kinds of ways to make money through Swagbucks. One of my favorite websites. It's also a lot higher paid than your average. There are just a lot of online survey sites that don't hardly pay any money, and it can be really frustrating to spend so much time and energy working on doing surveys and it doesn't really pay you that much. So these do pay a bit more, and you can redeem your points here for gift cards, or you can do a Visa card if you just want the money. But they have all kinds of gift cards to choose from, and I've redeemed a few gift cards, and they are completely legit. This is one of the most legit survey websites out there, is Swagbucks. So definitely click the link in my description and check out this website if you haven't already. And then so the next thing we're going to move on is this program called Take Surveys for Cash. Once again, the link will be in the description. And with this website, basically, when you click the link in the description, it'll take you to a page like this, and these people have found a secret trick basically where you can get paid even higher surveys, like surveys that pay $130, $100, even $400, like just very high paid surveys basically. And there's all kinds of cool bonuses that you can that they offer for you as well when you sign up for the course. And yes, it is a paid thing. It's $39, but when you think about it, when you pay a one-time fee of $39, then you will get unlimited surveys you won't find just searching on the internet, and higher paid surveys. So you can pay the $39 and then get access to surveys that are $100, and then there you go. You already made your money right back. So definitely recommend this. In the description, check it out. If any of these websites were, you know, appealing to you, make sure to check out the description. We're always here to help, and you can always check out our previous videos because we also have videos on survey sites that pay and are legit and things like that if you're looking for survey sites that actually pay. We just wanted to get down to, you know, the spot. We wanted to not take too long to get things to it, but yeah. Anyway, so that's all, guys, and we'll see you in our next video.